Before starting video, please subscribe to our channel. What is a lithium battery? A lithium battery is a type of rechargeable or non-rechargeable battery that uses lithium metal or lithium compounds as an anode. Lithium is a lightweight, highly reactive metal, which makes these batteries highly efficient in terms of energy density, lifespan, and charging speed. Lithium batteries are commonly found in devices like smartphones, laptops, electric vehicles (EVs), and even large-scale energy storage systems. Types of lithium batteries. Lithium ion rechargeable, used in electronics, EVs, and power tools. Lithium polymer LiPo rechargeable, flexible form factor, used in drones, smartphones. Lithium metal non-rechargeable, high energy density, used in medical devices, military. How is a lithium battery made? Key components. Cathode positive electrode, made from lithium metal oxides like LiPo. Anode negative electrode, usually made from graphite. Electrolyte, a lithium salt dissolved in an organic solvent, allowing lithium ions to flow. Separator, a thin membrane that keeps the cathode and anode apart but allows ion movement. Current collectors, aluminum for cathode and copper for anode foils that carry electrons. Manufacturing process. Electrode preparation. Mixing, active materials like lithium cobalt oxide for the cathode are mixed with binders and conductive agents. Coating, the slurry is coated onto metal foils, cathode on aluminum, anode on copper. Drying removes solvents to form solid layers. Cell assembly. Stacking or winding, the coated foils are stacked or rolled into a cylindrical, prismatic, or pouch cell. Separator insertion, a separator is placed between the electrodes to prevent short circuits. Electrolyte filling. The cell is filled with the electrolyte, which enables lithium ions to move between the anode and cathode. Sealing. The cell is sealed in an aluminum or plastic case to prevent moisture and air exposure. Formation and aging. The battery undergoes its first charge-discharge cycles called formation to stabilize its chemistry. It's aged for a few days to monitor performance and detect defects. Testing. Batteries are tested for capacity, voltage, and safety before packaging. How it works. During discharge, lithium ions move from the anode to the cathode, releasing energy during charging, and external current forces ions back to the anode, storing energy for future use. Thank you for watching video. For more informative videos, please subscribe to our channel.